Hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to what day is this? Let me be sure I am connected and that we are live. Hold on for me. I have to be sure that I am connected. Okay, just doing some check. Yes, we good. We good. Can you hear me? Volume check. Great. Welcome to day 12. Day 12. Day 12 of showing you small business ideas at home and basically showing you digital product ideas that you can start creating and selling from home. So, welcome to day 12. Coloring pages are making tons of money on Etsy. And in this video, I am going to be showing you how easy it is to create coloring pages from scratch. The beautiful thing about coloring pages is that you can make it in whatever niche or category or style you want to create and sell. And so in this video, I am going to be showing you how easy it is to create coloring pages from scratch. And also, I am going to be showing you that you can create it in less than 10 minutes. Okay. Today, I will be showing you how to create spring coloring pages. In previous videos, this is a 30-day series, and this is day 12. Okay. In previous days, I have created different coloring pages in different niches and style. So today we are going to be creating spring coloring pages. Now, I will be creating this using my AI toolkits. As you all know, as usual, I will be creating this using my AI toolkits. This is because creating it with this toolkit makes it fast. I don't have to think about prompts. I don't have to think about styles. I don't have to think about what to create, how to create, and how much I have to create. In the AI toolkit, I already have a prompt bank. Now, in this prompt bank, all I need to do is go through the options of prompt packs. In the prompt pack, pick any prompt of my choice and create for the day. Easy peasy. So today I will be creating spring coloring pages in the prompt pack. All I'm going to do is take the prompt pack, put it in my preferred AI tool. In this case, I am using ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then go ahead to create images using the prompt pack. Also, in the prompt pack, you have multiple prompts. So, for these coloring spring pages, I will be generating 20 spring images or spring theme coloring pages for these products. This is what this is what ChatGPT has created using the prompts. As you can see, you can see this is so beautiful. Process is fast and easy. I don't have to think of what to create. I don't have to spend my AI credits and time thinking of how to construct or how to write a prompt because all that is sorted in the toolkits. So this is it. Beautiful, beautiful spring themed coloring pages. And so, what is our next step? Our next step is to convert these images into a PDF file. I have generated, or rather, we have 20 images generated using the prompt pack. What this means is the prompt contained 20 prompts. When you put it into your AI, in this case, ChatGPT, it is going to generate 20 images. Now, you will not be sending 20 separate images to your customer. Well, except if they, ask for it or if you want to offer that option. Usually, your digital product is a PDF file, okay? So, we're going to convert these images into a PDF file. I also like to mention that you do not necessarily have to use ChatGPT to generate your prompts. I beg your pardon. You do not have to use ChatGPT to generate your images using the prompts. Okay. You can use whatever AI provider that you are subscribed to or you prefer. So you can use this prompt in Cloud AI or Gemini. I use ChatGPT. Okay. ChatGPT has been my business partner for a long time. And so far, I am happy with it. So you do not necessarily have to use these prompts in ChatGPT. You can use whatever AI tool you want to use. Next step. Oh, this is beautiful. Next step is convert this into a PDF file. Usually, what people will do is download these images individually. So, download 20 of these images into Canva and then save the images as a PDF file. You don't have to do all that. All you do is prompt or ask your AI to convert these images to PDF and you're good to go. After this is done, the next step is what? We're going to be creating our photo listing because that's the only way people will see what we are selling. Your photo listing or your product listing, I beg your pardon. Your product listing is basically what the customer sees when they are buying your product or when they are searching for your product. That is what they get to see. An image that says exactly what your product is about. So, in this case, we are making spring coloring pages. Our product photo listing should say that. Next step, creating product photo listing, and I will be doing that in Canva. You can also create this on AI. You can create your product photo listing on AI. I keep saying photo listing. It's actually listing photo. So let me take, I'm going to say that again. The next step after converting our images to PDF file, the next step is to create our listing photo. So our product listing photo. And what is your product listing photo? Your listing photo is basically a photo or an image that says or tells your customer what your product is about. If this is a coloring page, when I go on your store or when I search for the product, and I am when I search for the product or I go on your store, I should be able to tell just by one photo that this product is a coloring page and it is a digital file. Okay, because that is what we're offering for this product. That is basically what a listing photo is about. So the next step is that we're going to create our listing photo. This can be done using AI. Okay, this can also be done using Canva, and I will be showing you how I create my listing photo. in Canva. This is Canva. Yesterday was day 11. We created this beautiful image. We created the alphabet coloring pages for kids in day 11. So if you are curious as to the process of this, just check the playlist or look for day 11, okay? And then you will find out or you get to see how this was created. Now it is time to create the spring coloring pages. You can see this is similar, right? You don't have to go overboard. You don't have to have some professional designing skills. I mean, if you do, why not? By all means, use your skills. But if you don't, this is an evidence or this is to show you that you do not need to have designing skills to build or to create your digital product to sell. What I am doing here is this very easy. I am literally using templates, done for you mockup templates. Okay, I'm using done for you mockup templates, and they usually looks like this. They usually look like this. And by the way, I have done for you mockup templates in the store. I'm going to be linking that in the description. So if you want to explore that, it contains over 100 templates where you get to play around with options and create your products. I will be showing you exactly how to use this template. This is the template I am using today. All I need to do is just pick the photo. Let me move myself. All I need to do is pick the images. Okay, you can see these are the images here on the what's the side of your screen now? On the left side of your screen. I'm just going to pick these images and drag it into this place. That's what I will be doing. Okay, so yes, I'm going to take this one. Don't worry, you're going to see it. I know it is out of frame. So this is an image. Just drag it in and you have it. That is the same thing I'm going to be doing for other images. This is one, just drag it in and you have it. So that's basically how to create your listing photo and easy peasy. So I will do the same for other images. Drag it here, drag it here, and let's see which other one we're going to put here. Put this one here. See, there you go. Now I can decide to, say more here or do more or probably maybe change the font. Maybe I can just decide to change the font to, I don't know, something else. Okay, let's try this today. Reduce this. And this is going to take less than 5 minutes to do. Okay. And this is because we're using a mockup template. Everything is prepared. Okay. Everything is literally set for you. Your prompt pack is set. You get to use your prompt pack to generate your images using AI. And then listing photos, you get to use the mockup templates to create your listing photos, or you do that on AI directly. I show my students, how to do that. Okay. And then you're good to go. You are ready to run your business. I can decide to do this just to give some more let me show yellow here. What do you think? I'm just trying to play around. Okay, maybe I do this. I have to make it small. See, has to put in some option and play around. This is it. Change this one, of course, to the color of the other of the day. This is going to be orange. Can you see? We're good to go. So this was yesterday color. You see what I am doing? playing around with the colors, the font. This is it. We're good to go. I can decide to make this white here, and then I know you cannot see it. That's correct. Then I will make this background black. Yes. See? Increase it if you want. Not. Let's see. This is the point where you just, put in your personality, play around with the options, the style, whatever you want to do. This is the point where you do your thing, okay? And you do not have to s- spend so much time on this. The most important thing is you want it to be clear enough. Anyone that sees this product knows they are getting 20 printable pages in two sizes, size A4 and US letter. Okay. The next thing is this. They are also going to be getting their coloring pages in spring theme, or this is a spring coloring page. This is a spring coloring page. Very clear. Next thing is ready to print from home for home, classroom, or quiet creative time. You can just add more information. However, this is clear. It is an instant download. And then we're going to add more infographics or images telling the buyer what they get. You want to always you want to always state as much as you can that your product is a digital product, especially when you are selling digital products. Okay. Next, I'm going to save this as a PNG file. I'm just going to come here, save this as a PNG file, or download this as a PNG file. Let's say we want to also create. So these are, couple of images we have created from previous days in this series. This is a 30-day series. Okay. We've created this. You can see this is an infographic saying you're going to get it in two printable sizes. I'm offering US letter size and A4 letter size. This is the one we created in one of these days. These are just beautiful, beautiful images. Now, why I am coming here is to show you something. So let's say we want to also offer, let me duplicate this page. We want to offer, um, we want to create a video option. Same procedure. Take this and just drop it in, drop your images in as much as you can. Okay, this is not a drop option. So I'm just going to come here, do this, delete, randomly just set images anywhere I want because I want to make this into a photo, a video listings. This is how you create your video listing. This is an option. Okay. I am replacing these images with, the previous images because this is the dot marker coloring pages, which I have created in one of the previous days. And you can also get it. You can also get the prompt in the AI toolkits. Every coloring page I have created in this series, you will be getting the prompts in the AI toolkits. The prompt pack is always updated with new prompts, trending prompts. So you are getting a lot of options to fill your store, to create and fill your store and start making money. Put this one here. That's a cutie. And let's look for something. Randomly selecting images. Let's see this one. I like this one. So cute. And then we have one more, which is, oh, look at this one. This one. Okay. What is our product? Our product is the spring coloring page. So we're going to have to change this to spring, right? I want to make this capital letter. Yes. Coloring. Just going to leave it as spring coloring. Okay. Let me see. Do we delete this one? We can also decide to delete this one. Okay. Spring coloring. Just make this. I'm just going to make it bold. Spring coloring. You see what's happening? What I am doing is creating a video listing or a listing video. I am creating a listing video for my product. That's what I am doing right now. It's just slight misalignment here. Let me sort that. Yeah, doable. And so, yeah. Yeah. Change this color. So what color are we using? The main image has orange. So let's do yellow. Oh, yeah, I like this one. Then this I am going to be converting into a video listing or a listing video. I'm going to be converting this image into video. And to do this, very easy to do. All you need to do is click on the page, click animate, and select any of the animation option that will pop out. So we have this one says it does this. So when you click on the simple animation, which is nice, you have the slick option. This is good. You have the fun. So I'm just going to go with this one. That's the slick option. Then this is the point where you get to download these as, look at my, this is my cursor here over here. So you would select instead of PNG. Now I can decide to also save this as a picture. So that is a PNG file. Okay. However, I want this to be a video because I have added animation to it and I want to list it as a video, a listing video for my product. So what I do is select MP4 video and then download the specific page. This is page 21. Select download and we're going to have, you can see it's downloading at the bottom. So we have our video. We have our video for this product. Okay. It's going to take some time to download. I am then going to also download this as a picture so that I can just add more photos in my listing photo. I'm just going to change this to a PNG, still page 21, and click on download. And we have that. Yeah. Next. What's our next step? So now we have created our product, our coloring pages. We have created 30 spring coloring pages. We have converted these pages into a PDF file. So our digital product is ready because our digital product is literally the PDF file containing 20 coloring pages. Okay. The next step is this. I am going to then, and then we have our listing photo. Is it listing photo now? And then we have our photo listing and our video listing. We're good to go. We are good to go. Product ready. The product creatives or the product listing photos and video ready. The next is to upload your product. The next step is to upload the product in the market, in the platform you are selling. So whatever platform, Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, your link in bio, whatever platform you are selling your product, you have everything you need to upload it. And that is what we're going to be doing. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be uploading this product on Etsy, and I will be showing you how to do that. Let's go to Etsy. Now, this is Etsy. I am on Etsy. Okay. I have created my listing. So just select new listing or add listing and you create your product. This is the point where we're going to add, those images or those photos that we created. This is the point to add them. So first I'm going to be adding my main photo. The first main image will be this one. I'm going to put it here. So this is our first image. Let's look at it. Taking some time. This is good. We're good. I'm happy with it. The next is to add our video. We created a video, right? Just going to do that. We have our video. Let's see what it looks like. Click on this. Cute. This is done. Next step is add more photos if you have. I converted the other one also into a photo. I'm just going to add it for more options. You can then decide to make like a collage of different, images that you have created or generated and make it into a collage. So basically a page with multiple photos or images, and then you add it. You can add as much as you can. You can add up to 20 photos if you want and 2 videos. However, you don't have to, as long as you have the important information, which is the main listing photo that says exactly what you are getting, okay, and gives an idea of what the person is seeing. We can see clearly this is what this person, this you can see clearly this is what this product is about. The next is we have our video. Great. Then this is important. This is a sample of an infographic or an image that tells the buyer what they are getting. This is an instant download. You're going to be getting it in 2 printable sizes. I say the sizes so they know that, oh, I'm going to be getting 2 sizes. They decide what to do with their sizes. This is because in the US, the buyers usually go for the US letter size. Okay, it's like a standard size in the US based on my experience. And then in Europe, most of the standard sizing for printables is A4. That is why you want to offer multiple options so that they can decide on what works for them. And it literally costs you nothing. So we have this, you have more photos if you want. Great. The next step is your title. You want your title to be optimized. You want that whatever you say in this title, okay, that is what people are searching for. Okay. So when we go on, if you look at the first page I showed you, look at the search bar, spring coloring book. People are searching for spring coloring book for adult, for kids, spring coloring book bundle, spring coloring book printable. You want to ensure that these informations or these words are contained in your description because that is the word people are searching for. Also, spring coloring, let's see, pages. See, spring coloring pages, printable for kids, for toddler, for adults. These are these are words that buyers use to search for product like this. So when you hear people say, make sure your titles are optimized, this is exactly what they are saying. They are saying that use your words or make sure that the words or phrases that you're using or the sentences you're using are what people are using to search your products. This is key. Now, Let's look at what we have so far. Okay, this is it. So, spring coloring pages, right? Spring coloring book. Can you see? I made sure in the title that the title contains words that people are searching with. So this means that this title is SEO optimized. You will also do the same for your description. And guess what? All this is done using AI. Tell AI, I just created a spring coloring book or a spring coloring digital book, digital download. Create an SEO optimized title, description, tags for this product. And it will come up with this. And then you want to ensure that your description says exactly what the person is getting. So this contains 20 pages. Make sure you write it down. 20 pages also in your listing photo or on your listing photo. And then you want to say everything you're getting, what this product is about, and all and on and all. See, they're getting A4, US letter, everything you want to add. The same for the tags. The next is to add our file. I left this here as a placeholder because you cannot save or publish your product without adding your file. This is a digital product. Okay. Next is to add your file. So I'm just going to remove this and show you how to do that. I'm going to click on add and it takes us to our product. Remember that we already converted our product to a PDF file, and that is what we're going to be selling. And this is it. We've added this one nicely named. You want to also make sure that your file is properly named to help the buyer. This is an A4 digital product. This is an A4 size file. I added it to my naming. I added that information while naming this file. The same for the other file. I am offering two sizes, A4 and US letter. This is it. This is US letter size. You want to include it so that they decide on what to download and what to print. We have our product. This is good. Okay. This is absolutely what you want to do. Product is ready. Next step is just ensure that everything is optimized, including our tags. Tags, the same thing. All I did was ask ChatGPT to do that. It wrote it for me. I copied and pasted it. Look, you want your tags to be words or phrases that people are using to search products like this or products that are similar to yours. So, what do we have? Spring coloring pages, Easter fun, homeschool. Just put it there. Let AI do the work because with AI, I get to save my time. Okay, I run multiple business. I am a stay-at-home mom with young kids. I need my time, right? This is it. And that is why the AI toolkit is very, very useful for you. You want to start a small business from home, you are thinking of a small business idea at home. This is something for you. Grab the AI toolkit. Every information you need, you will be finding in the toolkit, including the prompts that I used to create this product today. And that's it. We're good to go. Once I click on publish, this product is good to go. And this is how you create your coloring pages from scratch in less than 10 minutes. Of course, because this is a live stream and I took my time to give you the process, it's this long, but I mean, it's a live stream, you understand. However, if you're on your elements, just you and your products, this is literally going to take 10 minutes to create and upload, and you're good to go. And that's it. Let me show you. Let Let me show you. Let me show you what this digital product that I am talking about. Let me show you what the AI toolkit is about so you know what you are getting. Okay. You know what you are getting. Let me show you. Beautiful products. This is the AI toolkit. This is the coloring pages to profit AI toolkit. The name is exactly what it is. This is a toolkit that helps you to start your coloring pages business from home. It is very easy to understand and follow. And the beautiful thing about this product is that it is not just beginners friendly, as you can see. It contains a prompt bank. This prompt bank contains multiple prompts that you can use to create your products, just like I have shown you. You are not just going to be getting this product, you will also be getting back end support. And what this means is that when you buy this product, you will be invited to an exclusive group where I get to occasionally provide a store audit. Okay, we get to meet exclusively, discuss progress, you share your concerns, your fear, your wins, your challenges, and then I get to see your store. Okay, we get to analyze and strategize the way forward. So you're not just getting a toolkit, you're also getting back end support, you're also getting a community. This product is currently on sale. I put it on sale for the duration of this series. This is a 30-day series, and today is day 12. Praise God. After this series, the product is going to go up. I tried. Fair enough, I tried. So don't run. Well, please run. Don't walk, run to the description. Grab this product in the description below and start creating. If you have any if you have any problem, I will be happy to answer your questions in the comment section. So if you have any question, if you have any concern, if you have any question or you want me to talk about something, I will be happy to answer your questions in the comment section. And I hope that you take that bold step and start creating. This is for stay at home mothers. If you are looking to transition from a 9 to 5 to working from home, you can use this to, just get your feet on the ground and understand the dynamics of starting a digital product business. This is also perfect for students because, I mean, you're a student, you have ideas and beautiful inspiration. Grab this, get your hands busy. This is also good for mothers in the diaspora that are confused and thinking of what to do. What do I do? Where do I start from? This is something for you. I wish somebody had this offer 6 years ago. Then I would not have spent so much time and money and also live in anxiety just because I don't know what to do and I want to do something. So this is also perfect for stay-at-home mothers that are looking for what to do, especially if you have young kids. Beautiful time. You can literally just take one of the prompt in the prompt bank, put it in your tool, generate your images while the kids are running around. How cool is that, right? So if this is something for you, grab it in the description below and I will be happy to hold your hands and build something remarkable together. Okay? So that will be all for now. And I will see you in day 13. 13. God is gracious. Day 13 by the grace of God. So bye for now.